If you're thinking about buying NetBase Quid for your social media management and analytics needs, there are a few important things you should know before you make that decision. In this video, we'll go over the key aspects of the platform so you can make an informed choice. While NetBase Quid offers some powerful tools, it's important to see how it stacks up against other competitors in the space. Let's dive in. First, NetBase Quid offers comprehensive social media analytics. This tool helps you monitor brand sentiment, analyze competitors, and track social media trends. But when compared to other tools like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, it shines in its deep analytics, especially for larger brands needing in-depth reports. Next thing, the user interface. While it's not the most intuitive, once you get the hang of it, you can access a variety of powerful features. But if ease of use is a top priority for you, tools like Buffer might be a better fit. However, if you're a more advanced user looking for detailed insights, you'll appreciate the depth of customization in NetBase Quid. The third thing you need to know is the pricing. NetBase Quid tends to be on the expensive side, especially when compared to platforms like SocialBee or Zoho Social. It's geared more towards large businesses and enterprises, so if you're a small business or just starting out, you might find the costs prohibitive for your needs. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, the integration options. NetBase Quid integrates with a variety of platforms, including Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. But it lacks integrations with certain niche social media channels, which could be a deal breaker if you're focused on platforms like TikTok or Pinterest. Other tools like Sprinkler might offer more extensive integration options if you're targeting a broader social media reach. Next, the data visualization capabilities. NetBase Quid provides some impressive data visualizations, giving you detailed reports on sentiment, engagement, and other metrics. This is a huge advantage when compared to simpler tools like AgriPulse. But if you're looking for real-time data, some users find that NetBase Quid's reporting can be a bit delayed. The sixth thing to note is its advanced AI capabilities. NetBase Quid leverages artificial intelligence to analyze social media conversations and detect emerging trends. While this is a great feature for forward-thinking businesses, competitors like Brandwatch also offer similar AI-driven insights, often at a more competitive price. Next, consider the platform's customer support. NetBase Quid offers solid support, but response times can sometimes be slow, especially during peak hours. This is a common complaint among larger software providers, so if fast support is essential, a service like Sprout Social might be a better option. Now, let's talk about its customization. One of NetBase Quid's strongest points is its ability to be tailored to your specific business needs. You can adjust the platform to track exactly what matters most to your brand. However, this level of customization can be overwhelming if you're not familiar with social media analytics. The ninth thing is its scalability. NetBase Quid is built for large businesses and enterprises, making it a great option if you're scaling your social media strategy. But for smaller businesses or individual entrepreneurs, it might feel like overkill. Next up, the data accuracy. NetBase Quid is known for its precise data tracking, but no tool is perfect. Some users report occasional discrepancies, especially when comparing data with other platforms. This is something to be mindful of if your business relies heavily on data-driven decisions. The 11th thing to mention is its content scheduling feature. While NetBase Quid can help you monitor and analyze your content, it's not as strong when it comes to scheduling posts. Platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer specialize in content scheduling, offering a more streamlined experience. Finally, it's worth noting that NetBase Quid offers a free trial. This is a great way to test out the platform and see if it fits your business needs. But the trial period is limited, and you may not get access to all features, so be sure to explore everything while you can. In conclusion, NetBase Quid is a powerful tool with advanced features, especially suited for large businesses. It stands out for its social media analytics, AI-powered insights, and customization. However, if you're looking for something more affordable, user-friendly, or with better integrations, you may want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.